The greatest of all time is here. The Honk Tonk Man is in the building.
Yeah, that's self-proclaimed greatest of all time.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring from Memphis, Tennessee, weighing in at
the ring general has arrived.
A man who ruled NXT with an iron fist and now looks to dominate the main roster.
and his opponent, representing Imperium from Vienna, Austria, weighing in at 209.
The ring general Gunther ready to wage war in the ring here.
Cole, there are so many metaphors to describe Gunther's abilities in the ring, and you went with the most obvious one. That's what I get for expecting anything more than average from you. That's where Gunther and I are very similar, Cole. We expect everyone to operate on our high level, and anything less is an insult.
Oh boy, this is going to be a long night.
The Honk Tonk Man is a deceptive individual who lures you into a false sense of security, and then he attacks you.
Let's be clear, Honk Tonk Man's a sportsman who's got the entire WWE all shook up. If people can't hang, that's not Honk Tonk's fault.
So much torque on the knee and ankle.
Ooh, treading all over their opponent. Got the leg and drops the elbow. Lighten up the chest.
Big forearm.
All the momentum's against Honk Tonk now.
And Honk Tonk needs to find that spark.
Face first.
Honk Tonk put a stop to that.
And the clothesline. Uh-oh, hazardous part of town here on the apron. Back suplex on the apron.
Honk Tonk Man's focus got rattled there.
Gunther used that moment to teach him a very painful lesson.
So, how do you prepare for an opponent like Gunther?
I don't know, go a few practice rounds with a semi-truck? Gunther already had next-level power and cruelty, but now that he's transformed his body, his cardio has improved too. If you're gonna beat this guy, you're gonna have to match him blow for blow, and that is a tall order indeed.
Oh, looking to cripple the leg. He avoids the damage. Oh!
He needs to find his way back into the ring.
The count just keeps going up.
Gunther lining him up from up high.
Setting it up.
Boom. Heading up, he's thinking big.
Perched up top.
Diving knee drop. He could pin his opponent right here.
It's over.
And a kick out at only one.
Still gonna take a massive effort to keep him down.
Able to reverse.
Well-placed kick to the gut.
Another damaging kick.
Slide.
Nice combo.
Big boot to the gut.
A clubbing forearm.
It's a rather crude facial reconstruction.
That's not very nice.
Ripping and tearing at the face.
If this works, it could change the course of the match.
Watch out.
Able to avoid there. Snap power slam. Grabbing a hold of the arm.
Oh, hip drop. And Gunther got turned around there.
Oh, what a right. Yeah, that's some attitude behind it.
He turns it around.
Taking a moment to get pumped off of this crowd's incredible energy.
Huge elevation on the backdrop. And the cover for the win! Kicks out.
This is going to come down to who wants it more.
Down to bonus and a double axe handle smash. The time has come for Honky Tonk Man to play his greatest hit. A little shake, rattle, and roll.
That's it. Gunther is out.
Oh, he gets the shoulder up before 3.
What an amazing level of fight still left in Gunther.
I think there is still some shock in the air over the fact that that didn't produce a pinfall.
Gunther moved at the right times.
Oh, not a rake. That's not right, but effective.
Someone came to fight. Just got clobbered. Unexpected result there.
Twist to the arm.
This cuts into the elbow.
Placed in the corner. Torturous focus on the leg in the corner.
Using the top rope as an advantage.
You ain't cheating, you ain't trying. Gunther falling victim to a surge of attacks here.
The Honky Tonk Man is backing up every one of his lyrics right now.
He may get the 3 count right here.
I think so.
Stopping the ref's count at 2.
What do you have to do to put this guy away? Just look at the Honky Tonk Man's face after that shot.
The body is starting to fail at this point.
Maybe just stay down, man. You've done enough. You can see as he rises how vulnerable of a position he's in. From the top, drop kick, missile style.
Gunther looking to attack from above. Oh, look out.
Big splash.
Attempting high-risk move after high-risk move at a breakneck pace.
Both competitors digging deep into their well to keep this match going.
Boom.
So well matched. These men aren't giving up any ground.
Showing their strength of will, their refusal to back down. He went right into that turnbuckle.
Gunther finding an opening.
Oh, what a shot.
Wow, what a knee lift. Oh, not a rake. That's not right, but effective. And Gunther in rough shape down the stretch.
Gunther has to be careful. He's looking vulnerable here.
Honky Tonk Man snaps his opponent down, and now from the middle rope.
The fist drop.
Cover here. And he fights it off.
He just won't give up. Honky Tonk is bent on finishing things here. Honky Tonk Man looking to wrap this up. Get ready for a little shake, rattle, and roll. Swinging neck breaker.
Honky Tonk Man just played his greatest hit.
That's it. The blood and sweat put into this match. Well worth it.
Here is your winner, the Honky Tonk Man!
And the win goes to the Honky Tonk Man.
Another night, another city,